In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share LinkedIn post on Instagram. By the end, you'll know a simple, reliable way to bring a LinkedIn post over to your Instagram feed using a quick screenshot, all from your desktop. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. Click the official LinkedIn website to open it. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your profile and posts. At the top of LinkedIn, click the Me menu, then choose View Profile. On your profile page, scroll until you find the Activity section. This is where LinkedIn shows your recent posts and interactions. To see everything in one place, click Show All. That will open a fuller view of your recent activity, so it's easier to locate the exact post you want to share. Find the post you'd like to bring to Instagram and open it so it appears clearly on your screen. Make sure the content you want is fully visible. Expand any See More text if needed, so the screenshot captures the complete message or image. Now take a screenshot of the post. Aim to include the main content while avoiding extra page elements that distract from it. After you capture it, review the screenshot and crop out any unnecessary borders or browser UI. This keeps your post clean and focused when it appears on Instagram. Next, head over to Instagram on your desktop. On the home page, click Create. Then choose Select from Computer. A file picker will open. Navigate to where you saved the screenshot and select it. Instagram will let you adjust the image before posting. Use the crop options to frame your screenshot the way you want. Square or vertical usually looks best on the feed. Recenter it so the text and any images are easy to read, then click Next. You'll see optional editing tools. If you like, make light adjustments to brightness or contrast to keep text crisp and legible, then click Next again to move forward. On the final screen, you're ready to share. This is also where you can add a brief caption and relevant hashtags if you want extra context or reach. When everything looks good, click Share. That's it. The LinkedIn post is now on your Instagram. Quick tip: keep screenshots tidy and readable, and be mindful of any private details visible in your post before sharing. Thanks for watching, and enjoy showcasing your professional highlights on Instagram with this straightforward workflow.